bitch on the porch from the style.
Whites, nigga step on these and it might cost your life. I'ma blame me a nigga before I look like Almighty J. Ho, these ain't joints, but they flame. Niggas poppin' ditties just to cover up the sniffing Eddie Kane's. I told her I'm a dog.
Take two. Cause this dumbass motherfucker turned the mics off. What's up, YouTube? We back again with another baby. Anyway.
Wait, who?
Team Turbo. Big Papa Pump, baby. Big Papa Pump. What's that dude that said? What's that dude that cracked the egg?
Yeah.
And then
I'm built different. And then the little girl was like.
That shit was funny. He was like, the little girl was like, she wasn't white, she was black.
Oh, no, it was another little white girl that was like,
yeah, the egg went all down her arm. Anyway, I'm your boy Poop, mother, indeed.
I'm that nigga that might get sent across the border from MD. I might be Mexican.
He ain't no Mexican, man. He
I might be
100% idiot. Underscore neglect. Nappy headed.
My hair ain't nappy.
Yeah, it is. This shit nappy as a motherfucker.
It's just curly.
No, it ain't. It's nappy. Anyway, what's up, Harris Boy Nation? We back again with another reaction video. Today we're gonna be doing them dogs versus delivery guys. Man, them delivery guys got a hard job messing around with them feline killers. Feline killers. That's the name of the dogs. Be chasing them over the feline killers. Feline is a cat.
That sounds like
a feline is a cat. The dogs kill the cats. Come on, man.
That's some no. Somebody gonna steal that. That's gonna be somebody's rap group name.
What?
Feline killers.
I don't know. They ain't steal that shit. Anyway, let's get ready to get into it. Don't forget to forget to
hold up.
What?
Don't forget to like.
Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Hit the notification. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to ask your friends to jump the hell on. And support your boys. And what else?
Don't forget to rate your deal.
And you crack of your ass.
Before I eat the booty.
Nah, he ain't no idiot. This guy's an idiot. This guy's 100% stone cold. Feed. I don't know what to say. You ain't supposed to say that shit around your damn parents. He ain't never even seen a booty to eat. If he did, he probably puked. Stinking ass. Anyway, let's get going with this reaction video. Hit it, maestro. Let's go. Look at this brother. Oh, what the fuck? Look at Hey, easy day coming into my job. Come on, yeah, baby.
Oh, Lord.
Why she gonna jump that damn fence?
Why did Amazon trucks get to be all colored? Ours is white.
Know. Ours colored too. We got the gray ones too.
Why are we saying that like we work for Amazon?
I don't know. I mean, the ones in Virginia, they gray like that too.
The ones that we putting up at the
Watch he jump that, he could clear that motherfucker. Woo! Yeah, bitch. Thought you got it. Yeah, damn, that dog big as shit. That dog damn near big as the fence. Look at that shit. Yeah, St. Bernard. Hey. Whoa. Hey. That dog's on his ass. Hey, everybody.
Walking.
Yo, he was stutter step for a second. He was too slow. If he come back in this goddamn screen,
He's alright, mate. That's alright. No worries. Cheers, buddy. He's alright. He won't come out. Cheers, mate. Nice stuff. Thank you.
Hold up.
What? That's a different stay on country.
I know he ain't got the 22s on the
Yes, he do, baby. He pimping, baby. Pimping on that dang on.
Dexter, come here. Don't run, mate. Don't run. He come and get. Stop running. Stop running. Mate, stop running.
Stop
Why people
running.
be saying that?
Stop
If you
running.
see
The
a
damn
dog,
dog
don't
about to
run.
bite me. Put some shoes on. Dirty foot ass motherfucker. Foot black as shit. Yeah, black that bitch foot is underneath. No dirty foot ass. Oh, black foot.
Stop! Just stop running!
Stop running.
Stop running.
Stop running. Yeah, for the dog to bite me in my ass.
See, he's smart. He's smart.
Yeah, look.
He got up on the car.
Telling the dog get up there with him. Like, what's up, player?
Not that
What
little
we
dog.
doing? What we doing? Shit. What we doing up here? Dog jump up there and be like, what we doing up here?
I'm sorry, sir. Come here. Get over here. Get over here and sit down.
Get over here. Get over here now. Get over here, Brandy.
Get in the house.
Yeah, Wilhelmina. Get your ass in the house, Wilhelmina. I'm gonna whoop your ass when they get on. Uh-oh.
Fremont truck roller.
No, somebody about to be stroking. Look. Hey, hey, everybody. What's up? Oh, shit. What the fuck? Woo. Come on, man. Come on, bro. I'm just saying, you know your dog want a piece of him. You just gonna open the door and let the damn dog out with him. That's some bullshit.
You ready Yo.
He said,
Yo, look how quick he got this.
fuck you in that dog. That's what he was saying when he jumped in the truck. Fuck you in that dog.
I'm weak.
Yo, this is some funny shit, yo. Hey, I got your box. Oh, Lord, look at here in this box. Oh, shit. Watch, this gate gonna be closed. You got to jump over the gate. Watch. Watch, he gonna clear that.
Nah,
damn gate.
it ain't closed. He's still gonna clear it though, but it ain't closed.
There you go. Whoa, shit. Hey, yeah, bitch. Thought
Oh,
you
he's
had
smart.
Me. Yeah, thought you had me, didn't you? Yeah, right. Yeah.
It'd be funny if he just jumped through the bars. If the dog just like.
Oh, shit.
Come here. Pull up. Inside.
Goddamn big ass.
How did you know you were out there? Get inside.
What kind of house is that?
Oh,
That don't look like rocks. That look like cardboard.
that's like the damn house down at the beach. No, that's the pavers, and then that's the carport.
Shut the door.
Shut the door.
Hey! Anyone here?
Anyone?
Hey!
FedEx. And damn dog there. Watch this. Hey, this the FedEx. guy. Watch out.
Hey!
Hey.
They running from the little, what is that, Chihuahua?
Hold on, time out, player. The dog's already on the porch. Look, the dog's
He's
there.
waiting. He trying not to move.
My thing, he seen the bitch on the porch from the start with.
He was like,
Fuck that. I would have never went up to that damn porch. That motherfucker crazy.
"Hey, forget the package. I'm out."
Yeah, fuck that package. Them packages come with goddamn teeth marks in their ass. Shit. Watch this. Oh shit! He came up from behind him. Oh look! Oh shit! Get off it!
APC.
Oh, it's probably overseas. He too old and slow. He can't even run. Watch this shit. He gonna trip up. See?
He ain't even try.
See? Get your goddamn ass out the way. Get that dog. He already knew he couldn't run. He was a bit ass. He was a bit ass.
What, that was a bigger dog? Why
Yeah.
is there 3 Fiats in the driveway?
On the Fiat it out. Yo, they went to the Fiat place, so give me every color you got. Give me every color you got. Shit. Golly, dude. Got the same wheels and everything. A white one, a cream one, a black one. Shit.
Yo.
And damn, that's overseas too, yo.
Yeah, it gotta be.
Gotta be them little. Watch he come hauling ass. Watch. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Hold on, look.
You see the dog just
Look, he done spotted his ass.
Oh, that's a Rottweiler. Oh yeah, you better
That's a
check
goddamn Doberman.
it. Yeah.
Look.
I'm trying to back away all slowly. He's trying to get his viewers at the gate.
You better get to that goddamn porta potty.
What is
He should have ran in the shitter, yo.
Well, you should have ran the what?
In the shitter. He should have ran in the porta potty, yo. Stick.
You just sit there and let the dog just come
My
out.
thing is, hold on, what side the damn steering wheel on? Cause he done ran around the car. He could have gotten the car.
It's on the passenger side. It's overseas.
Oh, okay. Damn.
Come the other way.
Nigga said, "Ah!"
He said, "Whoa!" Hey, the tactic worked though.
I don't know. Then he said, "Ah!" That shit was funny, yo. That's some funny shit right there, yo. All right. Thank y'all for watching our reaction video. I'm your boy Pooh D.
Oh, that nigga that might be going back to Mexico.
Man, stop saying that dumb ass shit, man. For getting offended some Mexicans that's really going back.
My fault.
So
I sincerely apologize.
You
You offended the special ed community.
No, I ain't, cause you was in the motherfucking class.
Well,
I'm just offending you.
You was too.
I don't care. Anyway. Shoot. Anyway, thank y'all for watching our video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, and hit the notification. Until next time, we
Don't
already did
forget to
that.
wear your deodorant.
We done put them under your titties.
And clean your walls.
Yeah, don't forget to clean them walls, you dirty wall bastards. yeah, motherfuckers. Till next time. Peace!
Some all whites, niggas step on these and it might cost your life. I'ma blame me a nigga before I look like Almighty J. Ho, these ain't joints, but they flake. Niggas poppin' ditties just to cover up the sniffing Eddie Canes.